Hello, my name is Gary Oakes and I'm doing a number of tutorials on Tailor Brand's advanced website builder. Once you've created your logo and signed up for Tailor Brands, you will enter the studio. You will need to subscribe to a plan when you need to publish your website. The pricing for these plans is not obvious. If you go up here on the top right, you see Upgrade. This will give you the prices for three of the packages: Basic, Standard and Premium. The Basic is a great place to start if you're looking at a business website. Limited to 3 pages, but it's a good place to start. If you then feel like you need more pages and more functionality, you can then go on to the Standard package. Premium is used if you're looking for an e-commerce site. With the Standard, you can also create a blog. That's worth mentioning. You can pay monthly. It works out very expensive if you do so. Pay annually or biannually. It is cheaper on a per annual basis if you pay for 2 years. You can change the currency at the bottom here. So if this is for US dollars, if you would like to know for Great British Pound, this is the fees here. You can also change for other countries. So this is a good place to start to look at the fees. You will find these are very attractive prices on an annual basis for what you get.